Ki khubor ki babnya Mynjur ka India bat Pakistan ban Sangeh mardor ya ka Thma u Director General jongka Military Operation ka Pakistan ulaya kren bat u Director General of Military Operations ka India kine baro artli ki ri kilaya rai bat Mynjur ban Sangeh ya ka jingat her la hakalong na ka kendau na sun bat Naduh ka por san Baje Janmiet mentakas ngi kat kum ka por jongka ri India kine ki arngut ki he shipai green Secretary u Bikram Misri.
Pakistan. A very brief statement to make. Following that, as you know, there will be a briefing by my colleagues from the military. The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours. Thank you.
Kum ka jing pen phai ka jing pen bitar ba jing sha